friend Catherine Harbor here, or should I say Glinda the Good Witch. I am here at Chestnut Farms in Kennesaw. I'm in one of our move-in ready homes, the Manchester on lot 23. We are having a flash sale this coming weekend. This home is going to be priced $10,000 less than the current price. So folks, that is an up to $40,000 savings on this beautiful home. So come on out. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath plan. It's the same plan as our model home. It's on a basement, and we have upgrades throughout the home. It is a fantastic deal at $574,900. So we've got things like upgraded cabinets with the dovetail construction and the soft close. So it's not magic, y'all. It is for real. We have hardwood floors on the vast majority of the main level. We have built-ins next to the fireplace. Again, we have a 5th bedroom in this plan with a 4th full bath. And this wonderful slider door that opens to a beautiful view of the community lake. It opens all the way. We call it our sliding wall. So again, come on out this weekend for the flash sale. We're having an open house on Sunday. We're also open on Saturday as well. We hope to see you. Have a great day. And remember, there's no place like home.